Hello, my smart kids. Today we are going to meet a new friend. Can you see this? Yes, this is a mouse. Very nice. The mouse is the computer's best friend. Let's say it together. Hello, mouse. Kids, do you like playing games? Yes, very good. When you play games on the computer, do you use this? Yes, exactly. Very nice. We use the mouse to play games. Next, what is a mouse? A mouse is an input device. Input device means it helps us give work to the computer. With a mouse, we can click, draw and play. Mouse helps us work on the computer. Yay! Mouse looks like a real mouse. Oh, look here everyone. This is a real mouse and this is a computer mouse. They look a little same, right? That's why we call it a mouse. Funny, na? Isn't it, everyone? Now, next, we are going to learn parts of a mouse. Kids, our mouse has 3 parts. Let's learn them one by one. Are you ready for this? Say yes. Louder. First is left button. This is the left button. We click the left button like click, click. We use the left button to select the things. Everyone, do clicking action with your finger. Wonderful, my little learners. Second is right button. This is the right button. When we click it, wow, more options is open. The right button shows us more choices. Now last is scroll wheel. This is the scroll wheel. It helps us move the page up and down. So kids, let's move our hand up and down. Excellent job. Very nice. Uses of mouse. So kids, we use the mouse to click, draw pictures, play games and open pictures. So the mouse helps us do many fun things. That's why the mouse is our little helper. Isn't it, everyone? So, my smart learners, did you enjoy today's class? If yes, like the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. And bye-bye, my smart kids. See you in the next fun computer class.